and 78-year-old man could barely rise from his chair. His legs trembled, his grip had weakened, and every doctor he met told him the same thing. It's just age. But he refused to accept that decline as inevitable. Instead, he made one small, science-backed change to his daily meals. And within just 3 months, his transformation stunned everyone. His posture improved, his steps grew stronger, and even his blood tests began to resemble those of a man 30 years younger. So what was his secret? It wasn't eggs. It wasn't red meat. And it wasn't a fancy supplement from a pharmacy. It was a natural protein source proven by modern science to activate muscle protein synthesis, MPS. The biological process that allows the body to rebuild and maintain lean muscle tissue, even well into the 70s, 80s, and beyond. According to a landmark study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, this particular protein triggered the same MPS response seen in adults in their 20s, a finding that challenged the long-held belief that seniors can't efficiently rebuild muscle. The science behind this lies in how amino acids, particularly leucine, signal the mTOR pathway, a key regulator of muscle growth and repair. In aging adults, the sensitivity of this pathway declines, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. But certain proteins, rich in bioavailable amino acids, can reignite this pathway and restore muscle-building potential naturally. Even better, this protein source is affordable, easy to digest, and more sustainable than most animal-based options. When combined with others on this list, its effects multiply, improving strength, balance, and even energy levels throughout the day. So, if you're over 60 and struggling with muscle loss, weakness, or feeling slower than before, stay tuned. This video will reveal the truth about protein after 70, and why the right kind, not just the amount, determines how strong and youthful your body feels. Some of these foods will surprise you. One even sounds like the devil, yet it works wonders inside your cells. Welcome to Healthy Life, where we bring you research-backed strategies to stay stronger, younger, and healthier, no matter your age. Before we begin, tell us in the comments, how old are you, and where are you watching from? And if you find this video helpful at any point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps more seniors discover content that prioritizes their health and vitality. Now let's count down the 6 best protein foods that build muscle faster than eggs, especially after 70. Number 6, lentils, the budget-friendly muscle food. Most people assume plant proteins are too weak to build real muscle. But lentils quietly prove that idea wrong, especially for seniors over 60. Here's why. Lentils are nutritional powerhouses. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers about 18 grams of high-quality protein along with fiber, iron, magnesium, and folate. When paired with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, they form a complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue. But what makes lentils so powerful isn't just their protein count. It's how they interact with the aging body. Research published in Frontiers in Nutrition shows that plant-based proteins rich in lysine and leucine, both abundant in lentils, can effectively stimulate muscle protein synthesis, MPS, even in older adults experiencing anabolic resistance. This is crucial because after the age of 50, the body's ability to turn protein into muscle decreases by up to 30%. Beyond muscle, lentils support cellular energy production and oxygen delivery through their rich supply of iron and folate, essential for forming red blood cells. Their high magnesium content helps relax muscles and improve nerve function, reducing cramps and improving post-exercise recovery. And here's a surprising connection. Your gut microbiome also plays a role in how well you preserve muscle. Lentils are packed with prebiotic fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate, which studies show help regulate inflammation and enhance muscle metabolism in aging adults. Unlike red meat or processed protein powders, lentils are gentle on the stomach. They digest slowly, keeping blood sugar steady and energy levels balanced throughout the day. A huge plus for seniors managing diabetes or fatigue. How to use them? Rinse and simmer red or green lentils for about 15 minutes. Add a pinch of turmeric or cumin, both natural anti-inflammatory spices that further support muscle recovery and joint health. Serve them with brown rice, vegetables, or as a hearty soup for an easy, low-cost meal that nourishes strength from the inside out. And if lentils surprise you, wait until you see what the next protein can do. Because it's small, powerful, and works wonders for both your muscles and your joints. Number 5, hemp seeds. Tiny seeds, huge muscle power. Most people overlook hemp seeds, mistaking them for something controversial. But here's the truth. Hemp seeds contain 0 psychoactive compounds. Instead, they're one of the most nutrient-dense complete proteins on Earth. And they're especially valuable for seniors aiming to rebuild strength naturally. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide about 10 grams of high-quality protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and antioxidants. The key lies in their amino acid profile. Hemp is one of the few plant sources that contain all essential amino acids, making it comparable to whey or animal protein. Scientifically speaking, hemp's benefits go beyond just protein. A 2021 study in Nutritionists found that the omega-3 and gamma-linolenic acid (GLA) in hemp seeds reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons older adults lose muscle and strength faster, a condition known as sarcopenic inflammation. By calming inflammation and nourishing muscle fibers, hemp seeds help the body recover more efficiently from daily wear and tear. Another hidden advantage is digestibility. Many seniors have lower stomach acid and slower digestive enzymes, making animal proteins harder to break down. Hemp protein, on the other hand, is highly bioavailable and easy on the gut, meaning your body can absorb and use its amino acids efficiently without bloating or discomfort. How to use them? Sprinkle hemp seeds on your oatmeal, blend them into a morning smoothie, or mix them into Greek yogurt with berries. This not only boosts protein intake, but also supplies healthy fats that support hormone balance, especially important for maintaining muscle and bone health after 60. And if you thought hemp seeds were impressive, the next food is even more fascinating, because it works while you sleep. Number 4, cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle builder. Now let's talk about a food that keeps working while you sleep, cottage cheese. It might look simple, even old-fashioned, but scientifically, cottage cheese is one of the most effective nighttime proteins for older adults. That's because it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. When you eat cottage cheese before bed, you're essentially giving your body a steady overnight infusion of nutrients, feeding your muscles while you rest. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming casein before sleep significantly increases overnight muscle protein synthesis, MPS, the process that repairs and builds muscle fibers. Why is this important? As we age, our bodies enter what scientists call anabolic resistance, a natural decline in how efficiently we turn protein into muscle. This is why many seniors wake up feeling weaker or more fatigued despite eating well during the day. Cottage cheese helps counteract that decline. Its slow-release amino acids, especially leucine, activate the mTLR pathway, the main biological switch for muscle growth. But the benefits don't stop there. Cottage cheese also provides calcium and phosphorus to strengthen bones and prevent fractures, vitamin B12 to support nerve and brain function, probiotics in some varieties that enhance gut health, a critical factor for nutrient absorption and immune resilience in seniors. In one small but fascinating clinical trial from Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, older adults who consumed 30 to 40 grams of casein before sleep not only improved muscle synthesis, but also reported better sleep quality. That's because protein-rich foods stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, preventing the sudden drops that often wake seniors during the night. How to use it? Try half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese before bed. For flavor and added antioxidants, mix in a pinch of cinnamon, sliced peaches, or blueberries. This combination doesn't just taste good. It helps regulate digestion, muscle recovery, and nighttime metabolism. So while you rest, your body continues rebuilding, quietly repairing tissues, preserving strength, and supporting the deep recovery your muscles need to stay youthful. And if you thought a bedtime snack could never be that powerful, wait until you see the next one. A protein that not only fuels your muscles, but also protects your heart and brain at the same time. Number 3, Greek yogurt, the creamy muscle protector. Number 3, Greek yogurt, the creamy, tangy food that does far more than satisfy your taste buds. Most people think of it as just a quick snack or a breakfast side. But for adults over 60, Greek yogurt is one of the most effective foods for preserving muscle strength and vitality. Here's why. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting form of protein that's especially valuable for aging muscles. Unlike whey or other fast proteins that are absorbed within an hour, casein breaks down gradually, releasing amino acids into your bloodstream for up to 6 to 8 hours. Think of it as a time-release formula that continues nourishing your muscles long after you've eaten, even while you sleep. As we age, a natural process called sarcopenia begins, a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. After age 60, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle tissue every year if it's not maintained. But researchers from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that consuming casein-rich foods like Greek yogurt before bed can boost overnight muscle protein synthesis by up to 22%, helping your body rebuild and maintain lean muscle while you rest. And that's not all. Greek yogurt also supports bone density thanks to its rich supply of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D nutrients that keep bones strong and resilient. Meanwhile, its probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut, improve digestion and nutrient absorption, which is crucial because your ability to absorb protein and minerals declines with age. Here's something many people don't realize. Your gut microbiome plays a major role in how efficiently your body uses protein. A healthy gut helps reduce inflammation and improves amino acid absorption, both essential for keeping muscles firm and joints flexible. So when you eat Greek yogurt, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're nourishing your gut and your entire body. How to use it? Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars that can cause inflammation. Stir in a spoonful of flax seeds, a dash of cinnamon, or a handful of blueberries for extra antioxidants and omega-3s. This combo supports muscle recovery, stabilizes blood sugar, and promotes better sleep, all from one simple bowl. So while it might look like an ordinary snack, Greek yogurt is actually a scientifically proven muscle-preserving powerhouse for anyone over 60. And if you think Greek yogurt is impressive, wait until you meet our next food. One that not only builds muscle but also reduces inflammation, protects the heart, and balances blood sugar. All at once. Number 2, black beans, the anti-inflammatory muscle builder. Number 2, black beans. The humble, dark-colored legume that's quietly one of nature's most complete and balanced protein sources, especially for seniors. At first glance, they look simple, even plain. But inside each bean lies a powerhouse of amino acids, fiber, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together to support aging muscles, the heart, and even brain function. Every cup of cooked black beans delivers roughly 15 grams of high-quality plant protein and an equal amount of fiber, a rare combination in the food world. This means that black beans don't just build muscle. They also support digestion, regulate blood sugar, and protect cardiovascular health. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Most seniors believe that only animal protein, like chicken or beef, can rebuild muscle. But studies published in the Journal of Nutrition show that plant-based proteins, when paired correctly, such as black beans with brown rice or quinoa, can stimulate muscle protein synthesis just as effectively as animal sources. That's because these combinations supply all 9 essential amino acids, which your body can't produce on its own. Black beans also nourish something even more crucial: the gut-muscle axis. Modern research reveals that the gut microbiome, the trillions of microbes living in your intestines, directly influences how your body absorbs amino acids and maintains muscle tissue. Black beans, rich in prebiotic fiber and resistant starch, feed the good bacteria in your gut, leading to better protein absorption, reduced inflammation, and stronger immunity. And there's more. These beans are naturally high in magnesium, a mineral that supports muscle contraction and energy metabolism, and polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of muscle aging and fatigue. Consider this. Seniors with higher magnesium and fiber intake have been shown to maintain greater muscle strength and balance, according to research from the American Geriatric Society. That means something as simple as a bowl of black beans can literally help keep you steady on your feet. How to use them? You can buy black beans canned or dried. If using canned, just rinse them thoroughly to remove excess sodium. Then, mix them with brown rice for a complete protein, or blend them into a hearty soup or mash for spreads. Add cumin, garlic, or olive oil for extra flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. So while black beans may not look like much, their nutritional profile makes them a triple threat food for seniors, protecting the heart, preserving muscle, and stabilizing energy all at once. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about the final protein on our list, one so powerful that scientists call it a biological gold standard for muscle repair, and it works even while you sleep. Number 1. Whey protein, the undisputed powerhouse that continues to dominate scientific research on muscle health after 60. Now, let's be clear, not all whey is created equal, and it's definitely not just for bodybuilders. Many seniors hear the word whey and imagine a bulky gym shake, but science tells a very different story. For adults over 60, whey protein isn't about bodybuilding, it's about preserving independence, mobility, and vitality. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, but can't produce on its own. What makes it exceptional, though, is its high concentration of leucine, the amino acid responsible for activating the mTOR pathway, mechanistic target of rapamycin. The mTOR pathway functions like a molecular switch when turned on by leucine. It triggers muscle protein synthesis, the very process that builds and repairs muscle tissue. But as we age, this pathway becomes less responsive. This decline, known as anabolic resistance, makes it harder for the body to use regular dietary protein efficiently. Here's where whey steps in like a master key. Because of its unique amino acid profile and fast absorption rate, whey cuts through anabolic resistance, directly signaling your cells to start rebuilding muscle fibers. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed just 30 grams of whey protein daily experienced muscle growth and strength gains comparable to much younger adults. That's not all. Whey protein has been shown to enhance post-exercise recovery, improve insulin sensitivity, and stabilize blood sugar levels, critical benefits for aging adults who may struggle with glucose control. It's also naturally rich in bioactive peptides that support immune function and reduce inflammation, helping your body recover faster and stay resilient. Another advantage? Digestibility. Unlike some high-protein foods that can feel heavy or cause bloating, whey protein is rapidly absorbed, making it gentle on the digestive system. For many seniors with slower metabolism or digestive sensitivity, that makes all the difference. How to use it effectively? Mix 20 to 30 grams of high-quality whey protein. Isolate the purest form with minimal lactose into water or unsweetened almond milk. Add a handful of berries for antioxidants and a pinch of cinnamon for its blood sugar stabilizing effects. This simple blend creates a nutrient-dense shake that supports muscle growth, joint health, and mental clarity. And here's what's truly inspiring: many older adults report feeling a noticeable difference within 1 to 2 weeks. More energy during walks, steadier balance, better sleep, and even sharper thinking. That's not placebo. It's cellular regeneration at work. Now take a moment to reflect on what you've just learned. This isn't about measuring grams or chasing fitness trends. It's about reclaiming your strength, confidence, and independence, one smart nutritional choice at a time. Lentils that rebuild your muscles. Hemp seeds that soothe your joints. Cottage cheese that repairs overnight. Greek yogurt that energizes your mornings. Black beans that stabilize your blood sugar. And whey protein, the scientifically proven ally that helps your body reignite the same muscle-building mechanisms of your younger self. These are not luxury supplements or complicated regimens, they're everyday, affordable, powerful foods hiding in plain sight. If this video gave you something new to think about, maybe a food to try or a fresh approach to your health, please do me a small favor. Like this video, comment below which protein you're adding to your meals this week, and subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more science-backed tips tailored for adults 60 and over. You're not just eating to survive anymore, you're eating to thrive, with strength, clarity, and energy that last. Here's to staying strong no matter your age.